Forgotten username recovery failed on Gemini App Fix. If you've lost access to your Gemini account, most people get this wrong by rushing through the recovery process or entering incorrect information. You won't believe how quickly you can regain access when you follow the correct steps. Step 1. Open the Gemini app or visit the login page. Then tap Forgot Username. Enter the email associated with your Gemini account. Gemini will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Many recovery emails get filtered automatically, which is why users often think the process failed. Avoid sending multiple requests in quick succession, as this can temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your registered email is inactive, gather verification detail, such as your full name, date of birth, and recent account activity. Contact Gemini support directly with this information. Linking your phone number can speed up the verification process. Step 4. Once your username is recovered, store it securely in a password manager or safe note. Activating two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection and reduces the risk of future login problems. By following these steps carefully, you can regain access to your Gemini account efficiently. Proper verification and secure credential management are essential to keeping your cryptocurrency investments safe and accessible.